you for agreeing to join the Skybird Wash interview today. My name is Ewinur Machdar. I'm Operation Coordinator for COVID Operations in IFRC CCST, Indonesia and Timor Leste, based in Jakarta. That was such a long title. I was interviewed in the previous sessions. Florian Haas was the one that interviewed me at that time. So this is your turn, and I'm really happy to interview. It's a pleasure to see you again. Could you please introduce yourself, Tanoy?
Yeah, thank you, Ewi, and thank you for having me here today on a Skybird Wash interview chain. I am very much glad to be part of this interview as an ex-retro strategist and wash colleague. So I am Tanoy Dewan. I work for IDE as a water market system technical specialist based in Dhaka.
Okay. Thank you, Tanoy. I mean, it's really sad to know you're no longer with the movement, but it's also good for your development. And then that's really good to know now you're closer to your family in Dhaka. Okay, so I believe you already chose your topic. Can you share with us your topic in WASH for today's discussion?
Well, the topic I took today to discuss here is about solar-based water supply systems in humanitarian settings, particularly in camp settings. So yeah, I will be discussing today here about these topics.
Okay, can you tell me why you chose this topic and then some interesting facts about it?
Thank you. I chose this topic because of its importance and the implication during the humanitarian crisis and the natural disaster as well. And of course, for COVID-19 situation, this time we need more clean and safe water to be able to practice our hand washing and other hygiene practices. In regard to the interesting fact about these topics, I have many interesting facts to share with you all. First of all, the solar-based water supply system is very much effective and productive in humanitarian crisis, particularly in the camp settings, to provide the safe drinking water for large number of people, where actually your location is in the remote place as well as the hilly, and all the safe water sources are contaminated with the fecal. But of course, you have to make sure that your groundwater has no geogenic contamination. And secondly, you have to have good internal and external resources. I mean, internal resources means good technical expert, and the external resources means the contractors and the suppliers to drill the borehole and to supply the solar panel and the water motor. Without having all those resources, I believe, and your project would not be good one. Yeah.
Oh, that's really interesting, Tana, and I agree that we have to work together also internally and externally. Okay, so my last not really technical, wash-related question is actually, if you have a magic power or superpower, what would you do in regards to this topic, in regards to the solar water system in the humanitarian setting?
Yeah, it's a really good question and very interesting to me. So the most difficult thing is to change the people behavior. So if I have the superpower or the magic power, I would definitely work for the people behavior. So it takes long time to change the people behavior. So with those magic power, I would work for the people behavior change so that I can change very promptly.
That's really good magic. I would like to have that one also. Okay, last questions to close our discussion today. It's not wash related. It's more kind of fun questions. So as we are working now between office and home, which is mostly at home, and then we're just working like this with the video call. I just wondering, what is your outfit during like working from home? Are you still wearing like the formal outfit like you are in the office, or is more like casual, or like it's more relaxed outfit? I just wondering.
Yeah, it's really good question and very relevant to me. Actually, it depends on the modality of the meeting. We The last couple of months, most of the meeting actually I had with the audio call, and most of the meeting I joined from my bed. And yeah, very rarely I joined the meeting with the video call. But of course, during with the video call meeting, we have to wear very formal dress because we have a dress code and that makes sure actually the formal dresses, like you can see me now. So yeah, the most of the time I join with the audio call. Yeah.
Okay, that's really interesting. And you mentioned sometimes that you also working from bed, which is that's how we work now. All right, thank you, Tanoy, for sharing all these like interesting informations about WASH and also how you work from home. Thank you. And then looking forward for your next interview with the next WASH colleagues in here.
Yeah, thank you, you too, Abby. See you again. Bye.
Okay, see you. Bye.